What is up guys, Jello Pineda here, back again with another episode of the vlog. Today's video is an update video to the restoration video that I recently uploaded. This used to be like this. Ito siya. Hiwa-hiwalay na, basag-basag ang mga tab sa gilid, as in it needed a full reglue. At lumapit ako kay the Barbery and Sole game kasi marami akong nakikitang magandang feedback sa kanila on their Facebook page. And I decided to send these guys over and ito na ang pagkabalik niya. So as you can see here, nung nakuha ko yung sneaker, talagang I did a lot of stress test to see kung gaano katibay ang kanilang glue job. And looks like okay naman sila so far. Pero of course, hindi dyan matatapos yan. Definitely, kailangan natin masuot at malaman kung on the first use ba, bibitak yan or hindi. At hindi na ako mabibigla kung sakaling bumaklas yan. Kasi knowing the condition of the sneaker, the age of the sneaker, which is a 2012 release, so more than 10 years na siya. Pero of course, mabibigla ako kapag hindi yan bumitak on the first use. Considering the age of the sneaker and of course the leather condition, I think okay pa naman ang lahat. So ang gagawin natin today guys is sasama kita, lalakad kami ni misis ko and ng baby ko, aalis kami, may mga pupuntahan kami, and of course this is the perfect day para suotin to kasi talagang the whole day lakad kung saan kami magpupunta, and definitely I will be just living life wearing these sneakers right here. Hindi ko man iisipin na bago silang restore or what, so hindi ko siya pag-iingatan. I will definitely rock these sneakers na talagang parang brand new sila, and let's see at the end of the day kung magbibitak sila or hindi. So excited for this one. I do hope you are too. With that being said, stay tuned. Okay, first stop. What's up, Monji?
What's up?
First stop natin is sa SM Kalabastagan. May bibili muna kami dito. What can you say, Ponji? We are back. Okay, we're done with SM Talabastagan. Ponchi, what did you get?
I did some food.
Some food? Okay, that's good. Alright, still looking strong, guys. Still looking strong. Mukhang wala pa naman soul step na nangyayari sa nakikita ko. And again, I was just trying to live like the normal. Hindi ko siya tinitipid or hindi ako masyado nag-iingat. Like, kung parang hindi ko siya pinarestore. Yun yung gusto ko sabihin. Parang hindi ko siya pinarestore. So I'm just basically walking like normal, and so far still doing great. Diba opening siya? Basta Chin's Kitchen, let's go! Shout outs kay Chin's Kitchen, ay Chin's Table pala, Chin's Table Mexican Cuisine. Ayun yung phone number nila guys. Oh, mga gusto magpa-deliver, ito ating number. Mamaya pakita ko kung ano ang mga pagkain nila. Let's go!
Over
Jeff.
10.
Anong rating
Ayoko.
mo out of 10? Dali na, huwag ka na
10 out of 10. Bakla ba? 10 out everything is 10 out of 10.
My goodness, Jeff, magkano binayad? Kay Boss Norman to. Boss Norman ang chef ng Chin's Plate. Sir, itong kanyang custom na custom finish na
Tapos yung isa wala pang nakulit.
ano yan? Shadows. Ito custom na ito na Chicago's, guys. Dati itong ano yan? Metallic red. Ayun, nasa likod na. Pero ayan. Ito na guys. Iba talaga ang OG. Ito mo yung lapad. Yan ang lapad ng toe box ng OG. Tapos shadows. Ito ang steel.
Stillness. Mapamalit mo ba?
Hindi, sa tingnan. Ganda talaga ng leather ni
Paano na? Long drive ka, comfortable ka po.
Yan. Yan talaga yung ano, tumbled. Ganda. Oh, ha?
Hindi pala nagising si Miss AJ. Sasang ba siya?
Ay, thank you guys. Thank you. Sa ulitin.
We're done eating. Boss Norman, thank you so much.
Ay, thank you din.
Napakasarap ng luto ng chin stable.
Thank you.
Saan ba pwede mahanap ang chin stable, boss? Facebook?
Na Facebook, Chin's Plate.
Chin plate pala.
Yeah.
Boss, ako naman table. Sorry.
That is yung Chin's Table and then plate.
Tapos puro deliveries na, boss.
Yeah, malapit nating ano natin, dine-in.
Yun! Dito, guys, ang ganda ng ano dito. Presko. At nag-enjoy mga bata.
Sa may kali kami, kali butbut.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kapwa sneakerhead dyan, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Ay, hindi. Kasama ka namin. Ano bye-bye?
A few moments later.
So, we are here at Marky Mall. It is now 4:44 in the afternoon. Kakatapos na namin kila Chin's Plate. Hindi na siya table. Chin's Plate, maraming salamat. Napakasarap ng food, guys. If you are from Angeles City, naghahanap ka ng food. Oh, mga ganun. Yan. Food na pwedeng pa-deliver. Go ahead, check them out. I will link their Facebook page on the description below. Go ahead, message nyo sila. Napakasarap. Especially ang pinaka-ano ko dyan, yung fish tacos. Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah! Pad Thai, yung chicken, yun yung pinaka-favorite ko. Pero napakasarap. Very, very good. Boss Norman, Ate Kay, thank you so much. Napakasarap. Good job. Okay! So, dito tayo sa Marky Mall. And sabi sa'yo this is the perfect time para i-try ko tong Jordan 12 na taxi na nire-glue. It's holding up pretty well. Yes!
Do that.
You do that. Like that? Magic. So ngayon dito kami sa Marky Mall, may kukunin kaming TV na panalo na namin sa raffle. So congratulations sa amin. Syempre maglalakad-lakad tayo sa mall at syempre susubukan natin itong sapatos natin kung hindi pa magbibiyak. So far so good. Wala pa akong nakikitang any cracking or so. Ayokong punahin, pero that's the point of the video. Titignan talaga natin kung merong maghihiwalay or something. So far, so good. Wala pa. Mukhang sulit. And I'm very, very hopeful. After nito, may pupunta pa tayong isa pang stopover sa bahay ng nanay ko. And then we will end the vlog over there. Let's go! Alright guys, so there you have it. That is a whole day of wearing these Jordan 12 taxis that was restored by the Barbery and Sole game. A huge shout out to them, guys. Good job, kudos. Kasi I am glad to report that at the end of the day, after the whole day of wearing these sneakers, like literal, like just wearing the sneaker, nagbubuhat ng gamit, nagbubuhat ng anak ko, and so on and so forth, wala akong nakitang any signs na sole separation, walang nag-crack, walang nagbitak. It's all good, all intact, and I'm very, very happy to report this one to you guys. I am very, very impressed on how these guys held up for the whole day. Literal, like the whole day, walang palitan, walang nagsaslides pagdating sa kotse, as in yan din yung pinanda-drive ko. So walang bitak, walang sole separate, and I'm very, very impressed. So again, if you are looking to restore your sneakers, go ahead and check on the Barbery and Sole game. I will link their Facebook page on the description. Make sure that you go ahead and check them out. So again, sobrang sulit magpa-reglue kay the Barbery and Sole game. Of course, this is my personal experience. I don't speak in general, so basically this is just my personal opinion and my personal experience. So there you have it, guys. Maraming salamat for checking on this video. If this video has been helpful, please go ahead and smash that like button here. Kung bago ka dito, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this. And kung matagal ka na rito, tol, thank you so much for sticking with me. So there you have it. Maraming salamat for checking on this video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace, guys.